Hey guys, this is Floated Boy Stanislav here with a new basement plant update. It is April 3rd and I started some plants. So yeah, it's getting warm outside. The other day it was like 84 the high and the 46 for the low, and it's pretty warm for up here in Minnesota or Minneapolis area. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I have for spring to come and what's up with all the plants. So yeah, winter's over and plants are starting to pop out of the ground here. So right here is a new piece to my collection for my succulents. I ordered this off of eBay from some guy from California, and this is, I just had to buy this because the trunk, is like, so it's so huge. Like, look at it. It's just pretty awesome. So I got that, and then I also received, well, I didn't receive it, I also bought this right here from Amazon. It's a rhododendron, a blue rhododendron, which blue with blue blooms. And I purchased that, and when it came in the mail it had bugs all over it, so I just sprayed it with alcohol and it killed all the bugs, and there's awesome new growth. Like, the light green is all brand new growth. You can see all over this. And back here is a new jade plant I purchased today at a place called Garton's, which is a ginormous plant nursery. So it's up here in Minnesota, which is very popular. And then right here, just like 5 minutes ago, I just started a new batch for plants. There's bulbs, so I just threw them in there. See some stuff turning green in there, and hopefully in a couple weeks we'll get some growth out of these. And I don't know what they're called, but I just remember I found them in the pots I pulled out last year, so let's see if I can sprout them again. In this pot right here I have some canna lilies. I have maybe 2 or 3 in there trying to sprout. And some fertilizer I use. I use egg cartons to sprout my seeds, and I have evening sunflowers in these, Russian giants sunflowers, and some kind of a zinnia, candy crisp, so it's like a pretty big flower, I guess. And back here I have some lettuce greens. Back here I just started them last night. And then what else? I purchased this, an elephant, a giant encanta or something like that, some giant elephant here. Orchid back there is doing great. All these plants are doing great. They all survived the harsh winter in my basement. And then up here I have this row right here is all tender green beans, which is a bush variety, and then right here is a Kentucky Wonder Bean, which is I guess it's a pole variety. Which my lemon and orange trees are doing great back there, and the sable palmettos are doing nice. This one too. And then here I think I have some snapdragon seeds I'm trying to sprout. The fire stick succulents putting on a lot of new growth right there. All the yellow's new growth. And then back here there's something trying to bloom in that yellow part right there. And also to mention, I think I'm going to make a new page, yeah, a new account for YouTube, and it's going to be, this one will also be used, but it's just going to be mostly about plants, so the plant enthusiasts can view it, see a Midwest exotic garden. So it's basically what I have here in all the other videos. You know what all this is succulent platter. Oh, I also bought that right there, which is an oyster plant. I bought it because I had that in my yard back in Florida. The clementine tree has put on a lot of new growth. New silky leaves were like that tiny, now they're like an inch or 2 long. And then so yeah, I got a lot going on. Like, this guy right here is still recovering. Strawberry pot is doing good. I think this little hens and chicks is gonna start blooming. And then this guy doesn't look too pretty, but he'll make it. The elephant ears are doing great. Usually I would think the elephant ears would die back. Oh, these guys right here, I sprouted them in a bag using the wet paper towel method, and I sprouted within 3 days, I believe. So these are pole beans. I don't know what kind of beans they are, but they're looking really good. I got 5 of them, and I thought one in the window over there, but no. And let's see what else I have. There's the cactus with all the yellow down there. It's doing pretty good. Over here I have the pineapples, and in the windows you see I have watermelon seeds germinating. There's my coconut up there, my snake plant. What else? These are all the seeds I'm germinating. We got some nasturtiums, some beans, some watermelons, some snapdragons, which are pretty nice. More sunflowers, zinnias, the green mixture, and there's mammoth Russians. And then I also purchased today Venus flytrap for my terrarium. And you can see I've already put some bugs in there. See right there? The 2 little black spots right there. Those are like little fly gnats. But it won't eat them, so I'm just wondering why it won't eat them. So everything in here is doing good. I did do a little clipping like a week ago, so everything's growing. It's hard to see, but this is all pink. The white looking spots are actually all pink. Yeah, you can sort of see it. Spanish moss is doing good. I can't wait to put that on the trees outside when it gets warmer. And I also purchased a rhododendron that's hardy up here. And I'll be planting that in the boulevard soon, and I'll be making videos on that outside for the new channel that I'll be making. And if I can't make the new channel, I'll just post it on this channel. So yeah, this is the update Midwest gardening plant collection, and I can't wait to put all this stuff in the ground. So like, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated with the warmer weather coming. Alright, bye. Have a nice day.